Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into Amazon Prime student account. If you're high school student, then you can enjoy this benefit as it includes fast free delivery on million of items, exclusive deals for student members from top brands, Prime Video, unlimited streaming of thousands of movies and shows. Watch this video until the very end to know exactly how to create your Prime student. Now to do so, firstly open any web browser on your PC. And there on your search bar, search for Amazon Prime Student. And from the search result, tap on the first link Amazon Prime Student, and then you will be headed to its official web page, and make sure you have logged in to Amazon account. Now from the home page, tap on Try Prime Student button. Now scroll a bit down, and there you will be able to see the form for your Prime student account. Fill the details like your university name, your first name and your last name, and then your date of birth, and at last your graduation year. After you fill all the details thoroughly, you can tap on Start your 6 months trial button. If you want to change your payment method, then you can tap on Change, and there you can choose the payment method like credit cards, gift cards, vouchers and promotional codes. Now after you're done with changing your payment method, tap on Continue button, and then tap on Start your 6-month trial button, and then your Amazon Prime student account will be created. I hope you enjoyed this video and was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.